Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to edit your profile on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click edit profile picture. Now here select any emote to pose your avatar, click next, and here uh, you can you can manage your position camera, click next, and that's it. Click save and it will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.